Hello guys, this is Forex Trend Following Academy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple and the easiest Forex trading strategy that you can use in 2025. So I want to show you the exact strategy, the reason why I placed the signal in the free group. So for those who are new to my channel, I send free Forex signals almost on daily basis whenever I'm free. I also send Forex signals for volatility index, dex index, or all those indexes that you get on deriv. So you can also get the link for deriv in the description of this video, and you also get the strategies for deriv in the description of this video. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you guys, I placed a signal. It dropped like 180 pips in just less than 20 minutes. So the moment I sent the signal, I want to explain what I was looking at. So let's quickly go to our chart. So this was the signal that was sent in the group. You can see it right here, right? So this was a sell. I'm going to show you also. So this was a sell. I'm also going to show you on the chart, right? So here, this was the sell. All right, this was our stop loss, this was our take profit. All right, so I didn't think that it was going to drop much because of I deal with what I see on the ground. I don't just try and predict what is not there. So what I did, I went to the higher time frame, which is M5. This is gold Australian dollar. So the moment it crosses right here to go below this zero line, all right, the moment it drops below the zero line, it means I'm only looking for sell trades here. All right, so I switched to a lower time frame, which was here, and then I noticed that it was also below right here. Okay, so that is the reason why I placed this sell right here. You can see, if you go to the trade history, you can see the exact time when I placed the trade. It was around 18 past, almost 18 past 11, right? But when I sent the signal, it was almost somewhere here. It was above. It was still out of the money for me because I placed the trade right here, and it was still out of the money, which means it was still in loss. So when I send the signal, if you took the trade right there, it dropped from there in 1 minute, because this is on M1 now. In 1 minute, it dropped, I think, about 20 something pips from here to here. It actually dropped 30 pips, and then it dropped again up here about 27. So this was actually around 57, 55. All right, if you put the spread, so it was 57 pips in profit. So this is the trade. It's simple as that. So it kept on dropping from the moment, if you miss to enter right here, from the moment you got the signal, it actually kept on dropping. It reached about 180 pips right here in like 16 minutes from when I sent the signal. So this is what I do, and this is what I look for when I'm trading. So right now, you can see there was also another sell signal right here. All right, this one right here. So you can see this one didn't go as planned, but it's still okay, because you're not going to win all the trades. You need to manage the risk very effectively. So in this case, if I were to sell right here, my stop loss was going to be just above this previous swing right here. All right, and I was going to take maybe my sell right here with this candle right here. All right, so you can see that the moment it crosses back above, which is somewhere around here, you can choose to close it, or you can even wait, because the moment it closes above here, we still know that the momentum is on the downside if you look at a higher time frame. So I can still hold on, hoping that it won't hit my stop loss right here. All right, so I want to take a quick trade right here. I think it's going to give us a chance. All right, let's see. Trend is down. It's telling us trend is down, right? So in some cases, you may want to wait to be very, very sure that it has crossed here. But let me just take this trade like this. All right, I'm going to take a sell trade right now. I'm also going to put my stop loss, which is somewhere around here, because I'm sure that if it breaks this structure, there's a possibility, because that it's going to keep on going up. All right, it means the trend maybe is finished. So I can use this to re-enter. I can wait for the system to re-enter here, but this one didn't cross as much because I was supposed to actually wait, but I want to assume that maybe I enter the trade somewhere around here. So you are still holding, so we'll see how it plays out. So the key thing in forex trading is not to try and predict the market, but it's just to try and do your job, follow the strategy. You're not going to win all the trades, but just follow the strategy. Okay, so this is what I do each and every day. Maybe whilst we wait, I can try and give you a quick breakdown of my channel. This is my forex trading channel. It's one of them. So you can see this was the signal when it was sent. I also updated the guys that the take profit, this was our entry, this was the stop. The take profit was hit right here, and it even reached 112 by that time. You could also see down here the trade, how it played out. All right, so you can also see the same trade right here, how it played out. All right, we got some $300, and the first trade here we had a stop loss of 12 pips. It was hit. So most of the time when the market just opens, or before, I can say for US dollar to start pushing too much, it has to be the New York session. So most of the time, if you're trading the Australian, the US dollar, gold US dollar, it's not going to move much unless there's an activity that is there. So you can see all my losses, I don't hide them. This is the loss that we had, which was 12 pips. So it means if you took the first trade, you lost 12 pips, and then now you get about 55 pips. All right, it means you are in profit for today. So I also have some other trading systems that I use. So I was trying to tell the people right here that I came out too early, but this is how it is. All right, you're not going to predict if it's going to go, how far it's going to go down, because it's just a game of probability that is it going to go down or not. So in this case, I thought my trade was late a bit, because as you can see, I ended right here. I think I was supposed to end around here. All right, so I thought that there will be a pullback because it has been going down right here. I was supposed to end a year, maybe come out here around 80 pips, but I just told myself it's not going to happen, so let me just leave it. All right, so this is how I trade. And if you go, I also have other trading systems. This is for deriv. All right, so let me just remove this. All right, so if you follow me in my other channel as well, this is for deriv signals. You can get the link for registering with deriv in the description of this video, so that you can access all these volatility index, drift switch index. So this is very interesting, guys. So yesterday I sent the signal right here. I said you should buy, and the take profit was hit right here. I also updated in the group for volatility index. All right, let's see if I can quickly get it. All right, so you can see this was the signal. All right, the moment we say you should buy, and then the take profit was hit somewhere around right here. All right, so you can see I made the video about it yesterday. So while I was making this video and editing, I ended up missing to trade right here on this sell trade. All right, so I missed this one. This was a small loss. This is a nice win going down. This is another small win, nice win going down. So this was a buy. I took a buy, and my stop loss was hit. So now I'm in another trade that I placed right here. I'm trying to grow this account. I want to see what is the minimum balance that someone can use without any problems. So let me just remove this one and go back to our trade. It's still on the same position as if the momentum is finished. So the key thing is not to worry or panic or try to push the market by your head. Just try and wait and give it some time, and then it will play out. It's either, there are two options when you place a trade. It's either it works out or it doesn't work out. So you should always know that before you place a trade, which is going to help you to manage your emotions, because you are expecting two outcomes. So the main reason why people fail or why they stick to losing trades is because they want to win every trade, which is impossible unless you are an insider trader. All right. So this is how it is, guys. We're talking about this trading system, right? This is a non-repainting trading system. You know it from way back. You should go and watch my video where I scroll back and show you everything for the past few almost a month in that video that we talk about. So you can also see some nice signals right here. This is on a higher time frame. There's also drift right here. So for drift, you can see today we had a nice drop from here. When the signal was generated, it dropped all the way down. All right, you can also see we had another buy right here going up, which was a nice signal also. All right, so you can go back to check. You can see all these monster wins. All right, so it's actually far easy to make money with the trading on deriv. The link is in the description, because they offer these assets that that you don't get anywhere else, only in this broker. All right, so you can see some nice signals right here. I can keep on scrolling back and showing you it's the same thing. All right, so if you are using this trading system, you buy when you see the first green box, you sell when you see the first red box. So you just put your stop loss above. Like if you're using the system, if this was a sell, it's a red box, so you put your stop loss above the green box. So if this was a buy, you're going to buy in the green box, you put your stop loss below the red box. All right, it's simple as that. So I don't want to waste a lot of time explaining, because I've been doing this and showing you guys for the past I don't know how long. So if you come to the charts right now, you can see the background is still red, which means if I wanted to take a trade right now, I have to sell. All right, so if I sell right here, it means my stop loss, initially I was supposed to sell in the first box right here, which will put my stop loss right above here. All right, so the moment this price is going to close maybe above this red box, so the moment it drops and form another red box, it means I'm supposed to adjust my stop and put it right above here. All right, so which is where I'm going to put my stop loss right here. All right, and then the take profit, initially I was supposed to be risking up here, so I'll target also down here. I should get at least a 1:2 or 1:1.5, or even 1:3. All right, so this was just for demonstration purposes, but you can see the moment I take the sell trade, it's already in the profit right here. All right, so let me just quickly go to our forex trading. I want to see how it plays out. Okay, this one seems like it's just going sideways and sideways. Might have to cut the video very short. I'll cut the video very short on this one. Let's go back to our higher time frame. I want to see what's going on there. It's still below, so I'm not worried, because it's still below, which means we can still hold on, hoping that the momentum is going to continue. So even when you're looking at this chart using other means, you can see there was a rejection right here, which we expected, because after this drop, right, you know your price action after this huge drop, that you'll be expecting the price to at least stabilize, right? But it can only stabilize if it comes back up, right? So in this case, I think if it comes around this range, it means we might not have to continue selling. Maybe the sell momentum is gone. All right, so let's give it some time, but I'm not going to update the video with this, because I'm going to close the trade right now. In fact, I will leave the trade running, but I'm going to cut the video very short.